Welcome to another episode of Boat Snoop. I'm your host, Clinton Johnson, and what we have for you guys today is a 2020 Carver C52 Command Bridge. And she is a nice boat. And I've already been on board her, and I can tell you what, she still smells like new boat, which is excellent. She is a good-sized vessel. And her name is Miss October. And you can see there's even a couple little rabbits there, so I'll leave you all to guess. It's one of the current owners of this boat, but this is a nice boat. Really nice AB dinghy. Nice Yamaha 25 horsepower motors. Plenty of oomph for this size of boat. So let's get on board and take a look at this boat. We are now here on the back deck, and a lot of seating for a bunch of different people. We can see the engine room access right there. We will get down in there, take a look at those Cummins diesel engines, 600 horsepower each. But first off, I think we're going to go up to the bow and take a look there. So you can walk around up to the bow on either side, port or starboard. But as would be expected on a vessel of this class, really nice, really wide, nice lounge seats here, cup holders. I didn't pull off the cover for you guys on this, but there is a JL audio. There's stereos throughout this boat, so you could have your own music up here. And just relax. Of course, standard on a boat of this class, electric windlass, you got the foot pedals there, and you do have controls up at the upper helm and the lower helm. This boat does have two helms. Let's head on back, and we'll get back on the aft deck, and we'll go down and we'll take a look at those engines. So we are back on the aft deck, and we just open up this hatch, and we're gonna head on down, take a look at this engine room. So here we're looking at the Port Cummins, once again, 600 horse. Look how nice and pretty those engines are. I mean, it's to be expected for a 2020, but just absolutely beautiful. Clean. Dry bilges. Once again, we have the starboard motor here. And what I was told is that this is a 24 kW Kohler generator. So a large amount of power, run anything you want with that generator. So this indeed is a very large engine room and very well lit. I absolutely love it. I mean, you can see the Victron Energy controller there, or your inverter, charger. See blue solar charge controllers. Want to add in that there is a Spectra water maker. Excellent, plenty of room, easy access. And then to top it off, you have your North Star SMS AGM 480 batteries. So they are AGMs. Really nice battery bank here. You do have some other batteries over there. So that's for engine start, that sort of thing. So they use standard batteries for that, but really large access to get to all of your systems back here. Rudder control, port rudder. Once again, nice clean, dry bilges. I mean like dry. But I just wanted to kind of give you guys a look at this engine room and just how large it is. So head back forward here, and we have we have two of them, but local engine stop and start panels. Really nice, well lit, tons of room, clean. But like I said, that's to be expected of a 2020, but just really nice layout. So let's work our way up and out of here, and we'll go on up to the command bridge and check that out. All right, as we head from the back deck on up to the command bridge, these are really wide, big steps. Really nice. And as the name implies, a really nice commanding view from up here. Another really large, nice seating area for friends and family, where you're at anchor or at the dock and you just sit out here and just enjoy the view. Over here, we do have some isotherm refrigerators. Kind of a nice lounge seating area up here, and then for the captain, really nice chair here, which does include a bolster if you want to sit a little bit higher. Coming up here, we do have two touchscreen Garmin units. One of them currently is set to maps. The other one is currently set with a backup camera. That's really nice, provides extra visibility. And then you have an engine management system right there. But that won't turn on unless you actually clicked over the keys on that. So I want to point out that there is a controller there for a bow and stern thruster as well. This boat has a bow and stern thruster. And as we come around, we have a nice view here. So let's head on down and get ourselves inside into the salon and check out the inside of the boat. So let's head on in. One last thing before we do, I just wanted to point out there is a nice little ice box here. And these doors do open further, but we're just gonna go through the main door portion and check her out. Hey guys, do you need a loan to buy your new boat? So many lenders. Who to choose? Are you getting the best rate? What if the boat I want is older than 20 years old? Not to worry, my friends. Boat Snoop has a solution. As a yacht broker, I have a boat loan broker and sponsor of this channel that many of my clients use to great satisfaction. I jokingly call him my boat lending leprechaun, holding the Holy Grail in his right hand while riding a unicorn over a rainbow into a pot of gold. You might ask, Clint, why do you call him that? Because this guy, he has been in the business for over 30 years and has connections to almost every major boat lender possible. Additionally, he has a good handful of lenders that can finance a boat 21 to 30 years old, and lenders that do that are not that common. Finally, he has one lending source that can finance boats over 30 years old. That's right, it could be possible to get a loan on an antique or classic boat. To summarize, using a boat loan broker such as this saves you time, as you only have to fill out one application instead of many from a whole host of different lenders, which is time-consuming and utterly exhausting. As many of my clients have found, he'll bring to you the best financing deals he can find and that you can qualify for. If you're located in the United States, need a boat loan for $20,000 US or more, and you are interested in connecting with my personally recommended boat lending leprechaun, just email me your name and best phone number at lender@boatsnoop.com. Upon receiving your email, I will personally introduce my lender and you via email. At that point, I just fade away and let the two of you get to work on financing your new boat. So as we come on in, we have a huge galley, and it has some really nice features. So let's get in there and check it out. So we have a really nice wide open galley. It's open to literally everybody else that's sitting up forward. We have a nice center island here with good storage down below it. Take these covers off so you can take a look, but we have a really nice sink, and it is stainless steel. Note that there's a lot of storage up there. There's storage all around down here. We have 2 more refrigeration units here. We have a 2-burner stove. We do have a Cuisinart microwave / convection oven. So you do have an oven. I mean, it's not as big as, you know, what's at home, but you can definitely bake, and that convection, I love them. I have one in my motorhome and I use it all the time, and it's fabulous. And then who wants to do dishes when you can just throw it in this nice little dishwasher? I mean, check that out. Really nice. Not every day you find a dishwasher on a boat. Now coming back around from this direction, you have storage, wine glasses, bottles, that sort of thing. Really nice. And as we come back around the corner, we have a door that slides completely out of the way, pops out of the way for a huge amount of additional storage. So really nice. As you're sitting here, you can be in the galley. You have your entertainment system right there. Bose speaker system. Nice TV. We do have another stereo system behind that panel over there. And it can be shared by all here in the main salon. So heading down below is the master stateroom, but I'm going to make you guys wait for that. We're going to move forward, check out the rest of the boat, and then we'll end up at the master stateroom. Really nice. So as we're heading up into the main salon area here, I do want to point out that none of these settees make out into a bed. They're all static, fixed in place. You could have somebody lay on them, but we do have a large amount of sleeping area on this boat, but I just wanted to point that out before. They don't break out into extra sleeping areas unless you just lay on them. So here's our internal helm station. Really nice 2-person seat, bolstered if you want to sit up a little bit higher. 2 more Garmin units, showing a lot of information. GPS. We got a depth finder here. So we have depth there. We do have for autopilot right there. And once again, that's the engine management system. Then you have your bow and stern thruster right here. Let's head below. We have a really nice double cabin and then 2 twin berths. So let's get on down there and check them out. All right, as we head on down, we have to the port side, we do have a head, a double berth, and then over here we have 2 twin beds. We'll go up to the double berth first. Really nice and wide. This boat, by the way, has a 15-foot 8-inch beam from what I saw. So really nice and wide. Plenty of room, large bed. To me it looks like easily queen size. Nice windows down here below. You can take a look out. You have lockers for storage, really nice. In addition, once I close the door, it has its own television. So that's really nice there. And over here on the starboard side, it has its own Blu-ray disc player so that you can play Blu-rays, watch movies. You have your own air conditioning controls in this stateroom up forward. And as we swing around, more storage over here. And then we have an additional door, and that goes into the forward head. So we're going to go in through here and check out the head, then we'll go check out the other berthing. Let's go check them out. So we're heading into the common head. Really nice deep sink. Really nice large shower. Nice bench seat so you can sit down while taking a shower. And a really nice electric flush toilet. So we're going to head out this door and then go check out the other stateroom. As we exit the head, we're going to another stateroom. A couple single beds. Really nice, really roomy. Has its own port. Can open up, get some nice fresh air if you wanted. This one does not have a TV, folks. But before we exit this berthing with the two single beds, I do want to point out in relation, there are two full-size, one's a washer, one's a dryer. The top one's a dryer. I mean, this boat has a dishwasher and full-size washer and dryer for your clothes. Really nice. Obviously, this boat with this 24 kW generator has enough power to power as much as you want. So just another nice feature. All right, so love the woodwork on this boat. This dark wood on it looks really nice. Head back up into the salon, and we are indeed going to head down and check out the master stateroom. As we head down to the master stateroom, I did want to show where the electrical control panels are with all your breakers, you know, to turn on all of your different systems. This boat has a ton of systems, and you can tell that, but you have your AC side over here, and you have your DC power side over here. So I just wanted to point that out. But hey, let's head on down. I really want to show you this master stateroom. Really nice. So it's really nice and well lit down here. I do like this lighting along here. Large hanging lockers. More storage lockers there for clothing, other items. Got your TV there, and a really nice large bed. And I really love that top comforter. And it even says Miss October. That is excellent. So it's huge. Really nice. Notice those large windows. And they have ports in them that you can open up. And there's another one on the other side. But really nice little settee that's there. And more storage. Now this master head sinks a lot like the one and the other, but this one is just a lot larger. And really that's just because of the really nice large shower. First off, another electric toilet, storage for all the things you need in the head, but let's check out this shower. So as you can tell, it's a very large shower, really nice. Just absolutely beautiful. Here's another look at this master stateroom. Once again, you have a Blu-ray player over there. And you have a stereo system up top as well. See that other window with the port over there? Really nice. And it has another little seat. So if you're trying to put your shoes on or something like that, sit down there. But nice master stateroom. Well, thank you for joining me on another episode of Boat Snoop. That pretty much wraps it up for this 2020 Carver C52 Command Bridge. If you liked this video, definitely make sure to give a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more boats in the future, make sure to slam that subscribe button, and I'll catch you on the next one.